Good morning, dear student. How are you? As you know, I am Mahesh Das Mahant, your English teacher. Today we will see explanation of poem 6, The Wonderful Words. The Wonderful Words. So please pay attention to understand it. Okay, dear students, The Wonderful Words poem is written by Mary O'Neill. Mary O'Neill. Okay, in this poem, Mary O'Neill tells us about our thoughts of imagination. Okay, so let's what you think, record your words and speak and give a message to all human beings. Okay, so let's start to read the poems. Okay, to understand it. Never let a thought shrivel and die, for want of a way to say it. For English is a good, wonderful game, and all of you can play it. Dear students, never let a thought shrivel and die. Shrivel means dry. Shrivel means dry out. Okay. In these lines, poet tells that if you have any thought, any thinking in your mind, don't let the words go away, dry out. Let's imagine and think and speak out. Okay, and speak out and decorate these words. Okay, decorate these words with a beautiful thought and speak out. Okay, so everyone don't don't try out your words. Okay, it's create and speak, because English is a wonderful game. Everyone have a good knowledge of English, and everyone can speak English, and everyone can convey message through English. So English is must for everyone. This is like a game. And all of you can play it, and everyone can play it, this English words. All that you do in match the words to the brightest thoughts in your head, so that they come out clear and true, and handsomely groomed and fed. For many of the loveliest things have ever yet been said. Dear students, in these lines, the poet tells that, and all that you do is match the words. And if you have any thought, if you have any words, first of all, you decorate these thoughts and find a suitable words for these words, and decorate your thought, decorate your words, and make a sentence which is beautifully, and speak out and convey the message with a good words, good sentence, that everyone can like your words, like your thoughts. Okay, so handsomely groomed means decorate. You can decorate your words means you can speak good way. Okay, and everyone can like your words, like your sentence. For many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. Whatever you have not said, if you have in mind, but you try out these words. So let's start imagine and speak and decorate your words in a beautiful way, very simplest way to understand, to like by all. Words are the food and rays of thought. They give it its body and swing, and everyone's longing today to hear some praise beautiful things. In these lines, the poet says that because of good words are the rays of your thought. It means your thinking, your imagination became good when you have a good and a beautiful thought. Okay, and it is the body and swing. And if you have in your speaking in your thought, some rhythm is there. Some rhythm is there with beautiful rhythm there. Everyone wants longing to hear, and your thoughts are good, your words are good, and almost they are beautiful. Everyone wants to learn, everyone wants to hear your thoughts, your speaking, but only words can free a thought from its vision behind your eyes. And you want to free your all thoughts by speaking and by beautifully, by decorate this beautifully. Okay, so let's your thought go, don't waste, don't try out, let's speak out this in beautifully way. In this way you can complete your speaking. Okay, in this way your marvelous new surprise, and everyone can appreciate you by your thinking. And don't waste, don't try out your thought, you can only decorate it and speak beautifully. So in this way, dear students, everyone have the knowledge to speak out. Okay, everyone have knowledge to think and speak out. In this way, the wonderful words completed. I feel you have understood it. Okay, if you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitation. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.